Good day everyone. Today I will present and identify the types of characters in the short story Dead Stars by Paz Marquez Benitez. This story shows us how love can fade through time just like dead stars that still seem to shine but are already gone. So let's get to know the character and the types they can belong to. So the next is Alfredo Salazar. First, we have Alfredo Salazar. Siya ang protagonist sa story kay siya ang sentro sa tanan nga panghitabo. The story mainly focuses on his feelings and choices in love. He is also a major character because he is deeply involved in the story conflict. Alfredo is a round character because the emotional is an also dynamic character. Kay nabago ang kay kay nabago kay nabago siya sa katapusan sa story. He realized nga ang iyang gibati kang Julia dili tinuod nga gugma kundi isa lang ka illusion parehas sa mga stars nga nangawala na pero nakita gyapon sa langit. So the second is Esperanza. She is also a major character because she is Alfredo's fiance and has a big influence on his decisions. Esperanza is a foil character to Julia because she represents faithfulness and duty, while Julia represents passion and excitement. She is a round character kay na siya daghang side. She can be strict, jealous, but the same time loving and understanding. Esperanza is also a dynamic character. Kaysa ending na change siya. She learns to be more patient and mature, showing that love is not always about excitement, but also about commitment. So that the third Julia Salas. Then we have Julia Salas. She is another major character because she plays a big role in Alfredo's emotional struggle. Julia is a round character because she is kind, independent, and respectful. She is also a dynamic character kay sa katapusan, she learns to accept that her feelings for Alfredo cannot continue bisan pa og na siya'y mga feelings para kay Alfredo, kabalo siya nga need niya nga mag-move on. She represents the idea sometimes love is real but is not meant to last. So the fourth is Don Julian. Don Julian Alfredo Fathers, he's a flat character kay simple ra kaayong kayang role. He is a loving and understanding father. He is also a static character kay wala siya na nasabgikan sinungdan hangtod sa katapusan. He remains the same wise and calm, always guide his son. So the fifth is Judge Del Valle. Lastly, we have Giles Del Valle, Julia's brother-in-law. He's an the flat character because he's only show as a polite and respected man. He is also a static character, kaya wala siya major change in the story. He stays the same from start to end, just a background figure that connect Alfredo and Julia. The last in conclusion. Every character in Dead Stars has a special role that help us understand the story message. This story reminds us nga usahay ang mga butang nga nag-exist pa sa atong pananaw. Basin mga Dead Stars na di ay mga gugma nga wala na pero atong gihunahuna nga naa pa. Thank you for watching and this is my presentation about types of character in Dead Stars by Marquez Benitez.